Welcome to Medical Lectures channel. We are going to continue with our tooth morphology topics. In today's video, we are going to cover certain topics such as succedaneous teeth, tooth structures. There are different types of tooth structures such as enamel, dentine, pulp, and last topic would be supporting structures. Succedaneous teeth, permanent teeth that replace deciduous teeth are called succedaneous teeth. Deciduous teeth are also known as primary teeth or milky teeth. Permanent teeth that are succedaneous includes incisors, both central and lateral incisors, canine and premolars. Permanent teeth that are not succedaneous include molars. Molars are the only teeth that are not succedaneous because they do not replace any deciduous teeth. So can we say that all succedaneous teeth such as incisors, canine and premolars are permanent teeth, but all permanent teeth such as molars are not succedaneous. Coming towards our second topic, tooth structures, which includes enamel, dentine, and pulp. What is enamel? Enamel is a very hard mineralized tissue. Why is it mineralized? Because calcium, phosphorus, and certain other minerals are present in the enamel. Enamel, it covers the dentine. Although it is a very hard tissue, but it can also be very brittle if it is not supported by dentine. What is dentine? Dentine is a second layer. It is always going to be present under enamel. It is also a very hard tissue. It forms the main body of the tooth. It usually surrounds the pulp cavity. Dentine in the crown is covered by enamel, and in the root it is covered by cementum. Now what is pulp? It is a living soft tissue. Why is it living? Because many nerves and blood vessels are present in the pulp. Pulp is present in a pulp cavity. As I said before, pulp is a living soft tissue. It contains nerves and blood vessels. It is present in a pulp cavity. Now what is a pulp cavity? It is an internal cavity present in a tooth. Pulp cavity has two portions. One is pulp chamber and one is pulp canal. Pulp chamber is that portion of the pulp cavity which is present in the crown. And pulp canal is that portion of the pulp cavity which is present in the root. Now another term, pulp horns. What are pulp horns? These are the pointed, incisal or occlusal elongations of pulp chamber. Tooth structures also include periodontal ligament, cementum, gingiva, and cervical line. What is periodontal ligament? It is a fibrous attachment of tooth cementum to the bone. These are fibers, different types of fibers, which connects the tooth to the bone. They also help to absorb masticatory forces. What is cementum? It is a layer of a tissue just like a bone which covers the root dentine, which covers, or basically one could say, which covers the dentine in the root portion. What is gingiva? Fibrous tissue enclosed by mucous membrane that covers the alveolar process and surrounds the neck of the teeth. Usually the color of gingiva, healthy gingiva, appears to be pink in color. What is cervical line? The line where the enamel meets with cementum. It is also called cemento-enamel junction. The cervical line separates the crown from the root. and it is a constant entity, which means the position of the cervical line does not change with age. Coming towards our third topic, which is supporting structures. Supporting structures include alveolar process and alveolus. What is alveolar process? It is an entire bony entity which surround and support all the teeth in each jaw. Means it is an entire bony entity which surround first and second support all the teeth in each jaw. Second term is alveolus. It is a bony socket or portion of alveolar process into which an individual single tooth is present.